Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss the universities which have no application fees. So this is a very good news for the students who are applying for CSC scholarships and they were searching the universities which have no application fees. So in this video I will discuss all about these. So here you can check, mostly universities have application fees, different application fees, and but some universities have no application fees. So we will discuss these universities. So here you can check, the first one is Chongqing University and Donghua Universities. Third one is my pronunciation can be very, so you can check the spelling here. So Jingshu and Capital Normal University, and then the Dalian University of Technology, and then Northwestern Polytechnical University, Nanjing University, Southeast University, University of Electronic Science and Technology, Hsinchu University, and Southwest, and then Wuhan University, and then Shandong University, then Nanjing University of Aeronautics and Astronautics, then Tengqiu University, and then Fujian University, and after Fujian University you can check Southwest University, and then Chongqing University of Ports and Telecommunications, Wuhan University, and Harbin Engineering University, and then after this you can check Zhengzhou Science Tech University, and then Yansen University, and then Nanjing Agriculture University, and then Huazhong Agriculture University, and the 26th number is Northwest A&F University, and then after that you can see Shandong Northwest. After that then you can check Shandong University, and then the Renmin University of China, and Northeast Normal, and Shanghai Normal, SCUT, and Zhejiang University. So these were the universities, some of universities which have no application fee. So you can apply to these universities without any application fees. And for further, if your subject or your major is not present in these universities, so you can check the other universities, subject wise universities which I discussed in the previous video. So you can check here, this is the subject wise universities according to our subject. So I will add the link of this video in the description of this video, so you can check this video as well. So I hope you will find this video helpful, and if you really like this video you can share with your friends and family circle so that they can also take benefit from this video. And for more beautiful content like that, and for more scholarship updates, you can follow on Facebook and Twitter, and you can subscribe this YouTube channel as well. So see you in the next video. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.